Here I have Samsung Galaxy M52, and today I'm going to show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So quick launch is basically when you just double tap power key and you can perform some actions like this. So to activate this feature, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the advanced features, side key, and here you have double press, and that's how you can enable it. So right now, for example, I can quick launch camera by double pressing side key like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.